I don't carry another better update carry come today. So today I want make we talk about this particular update where I just start to use so I observe the update like this. I just feel like, well, make I just come here talk about the update. And they call this particular update cloudbright. Then they call them cloudbright. So today we go talk about how cloudbright they go, waiting I don't observe so far, waiting they all about, and so on and so forth. If you see me for the first time, welcome. My name is Solomon. I talk about different update for my channel. If you want to collect, make sure you like the video, share the video, subscribe so that if I drop new updates, then go notify you. Okay, thank you very much. Comment where you watch this video from. This will not be financial advice. Me, I not be financial advisor. I just can share my own opinion about updates what I don't use. I not also make you use them. I just share my opinion. You understand? So now waiting I go tell you be that. But just in case you want tutorial, this one no be tutorial. This one a review. Review they different from tutorial. Review I just can't tell you waiting I don't experience. Tutorial now step by step I go show you waiting to do. But review not just my experience I can't share. So this one na review no be tutorial. But if you want watch my tutorial, make sure say you check my hidden account or check the comment section. You go see my hidden account, or if you see the tutorial of this update, you go just see I'm there. You go check them out. You understand? So now waiting if you talk be that. So waiting be cloudbright. First of all, that their name self even they funny, even the like updated name, but now the name be that. So according to them, cloudbright now one update like that we talk say then they use bots, then they use AI bots, and this AI bots feed they help you, they copy trade or they trade for Binance and Bybit live trading. The thing go trade for you. So waiting you go do be say according to them they just say you go copy their trading and then go trade for you automatically, and you go they collect every single day according to waiting then talk. How person if you take go about the platform and which kind of features where they get. One of the features where they get their copy trading features, then get the affiliate program feature. You be see if you invite one or two, make it a collect. They say their minimum amount to come out your small thing for the update na 0.5 USDT, and then get their social feature where be say if you go there they scroll like Facebook, make you see waiting other users they talk about this particular platform. But the first thing we I go do now be say we go check Trustpilot. We go check Trustpilot, make we see if this particular update they Trustpilot, and make we see some reviews where people don't give them inside Trustpilot. Don't forget me personally, I will give them my own ratings. I don't tell you now for some time and say anytime we see new update like this, make sure you check them for Trustpilot so that you go see waiting other people they talk about this particular update, whether it makes sense or be makes sense. Then you go compare them to your own experience, then you go know whether you supposed to use the update or be go make sense to use the update. You understand? So now the update be this inside Trustpilot. You can see they call them cloudbright.io. Make we check their review. Get 4.3 stars for Trustpilot, almost 5 stars or 5 stars review. Then get 9 ratings. I be 9 review. All reviews, make we check all their reviews, 9 reviews in the past 12 months. Okay, so I want to read review now. This is great, the second person here say very nice and easy platform, negotiate, looking forward to doing more with. I don't even understand what that means. Okay, so they see all these ratings here for Trustpilot. Anyways, now their own ratings 9 BD. So me say I can't drop my own small ratings later. So now so with this particular cloudbright update now so in the so waiting they say make you do first of all they thought say make you enter the update. Once you don't enter the update finish, you go verify your KYC, verify your email. It also you go push small thing. Once you push small thing, say you go find one of their bots, then get bots for this particular update. So you go find one of their AI bots, you go copy their trading, you go check their rate, their high risk, their risk rates, all those kind of things like that. After I don't check and confirm them, so you go copy the trade from that bot. Once you don't copy the trade, so you go to collect your small thing, every 24 hours from this particular update. Now waiting way these people now waiting where then talk now be that. Okay, so me I've been try I just try I don't do the tutorial, but waiting be their pros and cons. Now the first pro be say it is simple to understand. The second pro be say they get nice ratings. Now the third pro be say they get customer service help and support if you help if you get issues. And the fourth pro be say now live trading from Bybit and Binance. The fifth pro be say you no go do them by yourself. Now AI robot go do them for you so that you go just see that make it the collect. Now another pro now come be say their withdrawal no high, now just 0.5 USDT. Another pro be say anybody from anywhere if you use crypto if you use this particular update. Okay, so now some of the pros now be that. Now what be some of the con? Number one, the first con be say you go put something, and the something where you go put they high where you understand where no be everybody go feel put, and you understand. That thing I know like about the platform be say their withdrawal fee they high, they will come out small thing 2 times, which I know like now another thing where I no con like about this particular platform be say some of their bots fee they high risk, you understand, but you go look for the one where no they get high risk, you understand. But for now me I see they test the updates, I see they test them anyhow they update they I go let you know say see I seen they I still they test the update. For now things what I like and things what I don't like about them now this they update it makes sense, but I still they observe them so that in case anything come up I go let you know say I seen they. Now I've been come out small thing for this update today. I've been come out small thing. If you check my WhatsApp or my Telegram community, you go see the small thing where I've been come out, or if these people allow me I go drop them for my screen show and say I've been come out small thing from this particular update. Anyways my people, now so this update they tell me what you think. You know about the update before, then they call them cloudbright. You know about the updates. If you know something about the updates, well, tell me what you think for comment section. If I want to rate this update based on what I see, I will give them 6/10. I'll give them 6/10 ratings. That's my personal ratings. Waiting be your own ratings, make you drop them for comment section. We'll see you now for my next video, and bye for now.